Okay, so we'll get started. Gonna start with the Naukar mantra. I hope everyone is doing well. And yesterday's session went good. I'm Neelam, for those of you.
कैमरा एडजस्ट करेंगे आप अपना आपका फेस बहुत नीचे आ रहा है थोड़ा सा और टिल्ट कर लो so can see the full face.
Okay, so I'm Neelam, for those of you that don't know me, and reintroducing myself to those that have been in the class since the beginning. So let's close our eyes and say the Naukar mantra together. Namo Arihantanam, Namo Sitanam, Namo Ayaryanam, Namo Vajayanam, Namo Loye Savasahunam, Eso Panchanamukaru, Sava Pava Pranasno, Manglanancha Savesim, Paramam Havai Mangalam, Namo Arihantanam, Namo Sitanam, Namo Ayaryanam, Namo Vajayanam, Namo Loye Savasahunam, Eso Panchanamukaro, Sava Pava Pranasno, Manglanancha Savesim, Paramam Havai Mangalam. Namo Arihantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Ayaryanam, Namo Uvajayanam, Namo Loye Savasahunam, Eso Panchanamokaro, Sava Pava Pranasano, Manglanancha Savesim, Paramam Havai Mangalam. Paramam Havai Mangalam, Paramam Havai Mangalam. बोलो आचार्य मानतुंग महाराज की जय, जिनशासन देव की जय, भक्तामर स्तोत्र की जय, 24 तीर्थंकर की जय. Now we will do a short meditation to start with an open heart and open mind, so we can get into today's class fresh and with a good open heart, and we can get what we need to get out of this class today. So please take a deep breath, continue keeping your eyes closed. Take a deep breath through your nose. Make your inhalation longer than your exhalation. And we're gonna say Om. Om is A-O-Ma, A-U-M. Although it's not spelled that way, that's how it should be pronounced in the Sanskrit language. So let's chant 7 times together. Let us begin. And do it with the full force, with the full bow, with a good voice, and let's continue. Om. say it when you breathe out. So you take the breath in, and then your om is coming out as you're breathing out with your breath. Om. Now I'm going to extend the ma. Om. One more, give me full force, full voice, full throat chakra activation, Vishuddhi chakra. So we can all be in our creative expression today for the class. Om. Okay. So I hope everyone got what they needed to get from the class yesterday. Does anybody want to share shloka number 5 with me? Please raise your hands and we will be able to take a couple. And we won't be able to get to everyone, just to consider time. We'll try our best to get everyone.
I'm unmuting Ari.
Adi, go ahead, please.
Jai Janendra. Soham tata pidavabhat Nisa Kartum Stavam Vikata Shaktirapi Pravritah Pratyatma Viryama Vichar Pratyam Go Mrigendram Nabhyatikim Nijashisho Paripalanartham.
Yay, awesome, very good. It's a mrigo. So, but yeah, you did very good. Okay, who's
I'm
next?
unmuting Vidhi Jain. Vidhi Jain.
Vidhi, please go.
Soham tathapi tava bhakti vashan munesh Kartum stavam vigata shakti ravi privarta Pratyatma viryam apichari mrigim mrigendra Nabhyeti kim nijishisho paripalanartham.
Excellent enunciation. Very, very good.
I am unmuting Khushi.
Okay, Kushi, please go.
Soham tathapi tava bhakti vashanam nisha Kartum stavam vigata shakti rapi praveta Prityanavirya avicharya migo mragendram Nabeti kim nijashisha paripalanarthana.
Very good, Rag. I like your melody. Very good, girls. Okay, we can take like 2 more.
I'm unmuting Jeet.
Okay, Jeet, please go.
Soham tatapi tava bhakti vashan munisha Kartum stavan vigata shaktirapi pravata Prityatama viram vicharamugo mrugendra Nabhyeti kim nijishisho paripalanartham.
Pravarta, but it's very good. Very good. Okay, I can take one more, please.
Last is Jainesh. I'm unmuting him.
Okay, Jainesh, please go.
Pitava bhakti vashanunisha kartum stavam vigata shakti rapi pravrita Prityatma viryamavicharya mrigu mrigendram nabeti kim nijashisho paripalanartam.
Very good melody. It's pravarta. Very good. Okay, very good job, kids. Everybody did very well. Okay, so today we are going to go over shloka number 6. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of shloka number 6. It's one of my favorite shlokas, and shloka number 6 is very useful for kids, especially in school, for not only to keep the memory and IQ good, but it's also to keep the family members binded together. It also helps you with any brain related disorders, and also if you have any sort of brain related psychiatric issues, behavioral issues. I'm not saying that if you have something that's very chronic and underlying, like schizophrenia, autism, I'm not saying it's completely going to disappear, but we do see market changes with them, with the kids, and especially in the behavioral aspect, because mainly it's affecting the behavior and then the brain patterns and how the brain is releasing certain hormones and endorphins. I mean, not endorphins, but certain hormones, the dopamine and things like that. So with that being said, it does make a market difference. And with some kids that have higher functioning autism, like Asperger's, it has been seen to substantially mitigate all of it. So, and of course with memory, it helps with the focus. It binds the family members and keeps them together in case there are any issues there. And plethora of things. All in all, it brings relationships together, and it also helps with the brain and the focus and any issues that would be underlying that. So let me go over the shloka with you. Let's get started. So if you need a pen and paper, write it down, and I'll get started. And I'll take into consideration the speed with which most of the kids have been okay with. If I am going too fast for you, then feel free to watch the recording, or we can go over the questions at the end, please. Alpa shrutam, shrutavatam parihasadama, Twadbhaktireva Mukhari Kurute Balanma Yat Kokila Kila Maduram Viroti Kila Maduram Viroti Tachamracharu Kalika Nikareka Hetu. Tachamracharu Kalika Nikareka Hetu. Don't worry, I'm going to go over it a few times, and then I'll sing it with melody as well. By the time we're done with the class, we will have repeated it several times, and we'll have you go repeat it as well. Alpa Shrutam, Shrutavatam Parihasadama, Twadbhaktireva Mukhari Kurute Balanma Yatko Kila Maduram Viroti Tachamracharu Kalika nikareka hetu. Alpa shrutam shrutavatam parihasadama. That's the first line. Twadbhaktire mukhari kurute balanma. That's the second line. Yatko kila kila madhav maduram virauti. Third line. Tacham racharukalika nikare kahetu. Fourth line. Alpa shrutam shrutavatam parihasadama. Twadbhaktire mukhari kurute balanma. Yatko kila kila madhav maduram virauti. Tacham racharukalika nikare kahetu. Again, I am going to put it all together now. Alpa shrutam shrutavatam parihasadama. Twadbhaktireva mukhari kurute balanma. Yatko kila kila madhav maduram viroti. Tachamra charunika kalika nikare kahetu. Alpashrutam shrutavatam parihasadama. Twadbhaktireva mukhari kurute balanma. Yatko kila kila madhav maduram viroti. Tachamra charukalika nikare kahetu. I'm going to say it now all together. Alpashrutam shrutavatam parihasadama. Twadbhaktireva mukhari kurute balanma. Yatko kila kila madhav maduram viroti. Tachamra charukalika nikare kahetu. Okay, one last time, and then we'll go over the story. Alpashrutam shrutavatam parihasadama. Twadbhaktireva mukhari kurute balanma. Yatko kila kila madhav maduram viroti. Tachamra charukalika nikare kahetu. Okay, I will hand it over to Ashi, and she will go over the story and the rest. And then the Q&A, you can hold your any doubts or anything that comes up then, and then we will take a few, time permitting, with pronunciation for 6. So we will have plenty of time to go over things.
All right,
And
thank
for
you.
those that are interested, we can go over also the word for word meaning at the end.
Okay.
Ashiji,
Yeah.
before you start, we have somebody between us. I just want to call on Arav to introduce that person. So can you just
Okay.
minutes to start?
Sure.
Arav, please come and introduce our guest today.
Jai Jinendra, everybody. So our guest is the lady who actually started spreading the Bhaktamar Stotra globally. She was the one who has healed many people around the whole globe. She is Dr. Manju Jain.
And do you want to say something about 6? Okay. Manju Didi?
Okay. Good morning. What it is morning?
Yes.
First, I would like to thank Neelam ji. You know, some people you just fall in love with, and Neelam ji is one person whom I love her. Why? Because when I went to Chicago, whole night she would not let me sleep. Manju auntie, 28 shloka is for this. Manju auntie, this is for this, this is for this, and she knew each thing. She was talking to Priya and learning from her, and whole night. And you know, the best part about Neelam ji is, till date she will say, "Oh, I can do this. I can do. Yeah, I can try. I can try. I can do this." So this kind of spirit, and plus she has done n number of courses in psychology and all the healing techniques, and it's my dream that in LA her center has to be there, where I have gone to big centers of healing and done Bhaktamar program. It's my dream, and I had told her that one day you will have a big center and see how things are happening. She's teaching kids, and very soon her brother is doctor. There would be a center of hers for healing through Bhaktambar in America. So now another person whom I want to thank is Arav. Arav is like Harry Potter of Bhaktambar. You know, where is Arav? Can I see him? Arav. And if you all see Arav, you also can become. I have just come to tell you that you can also become Harry Potter or Spider-Man or Batman with Bhaktambar. Bhaktambar is what? They are 48 magical tools, which you don't have to carry in toolbox and briefcase. You just have to implant them in your brain. And once they are implanted, like you have learned till 6 shloka, once you learn all 48 shloka, so you will reach the world wherever there is anything. Like I'll tell you, I was in zoo in Zurich, and there were gorillas. And one mother gorilla was sitting very sad, very unhappy. And I started chanting shloka number 45. And my kids, as you are there, my kids were young at that time. Only Chetan and Gaurang were there, my 2 sons. And they were feeling embarrassed, you know, because in zoo there were so many people going from here and there, and they were saying, Papa, Mummy starts chanting anywhere and this thing. And while I was chanting, that mother gorilla, she came down, and from the basement, 5 more gorillas came up, and all of them started dancing. And that mother gorilla came and hit this thing. There was a glass partition. So then my children said, oh, it really works. It really works. So what I'm telling you is that you have to experiment it. You have to experiment it. Every day experiment, take any one shloka and start experimenting it. You are learning here in a methodical way, like you are learning each shloka, writing it. But one thing I'm telling you, create something on your own, like Arav. He goes on bike. Have you seen his videos? If you go to my website, you will see how he's telling. So I want something like that from you all also. Apart from chanting, like Washington DC children, they created a PowerPoint on 33 number shloka, 12, 13-year-old Ajmira, how this cures your fever. Then one boy created a game like Mario, which I had posted on North America group of Bhaktambar. I just told them that these shlokas are like what? Like if you will chant 46 shloka, prison break. Have you seen that movie, Prison Break? So prison will break. If you will chant 48 shloka, gold coins will start falling. You know how it happens, abundance will come. So if you will chant 6 shloka, you will master in your this thing, studies. One of my son's friend who was not a Jain, and his mother would play this 6 number shlokas, uh, mantra, every time he would play squash. And today, both the brothers, they are studying in Ajmer Mayo School. Both of them was selected in nationals, and now they are playing for Asia Regional. Both of them. Being Punjabi, her mother used to play while he was playing the match. And now they come, they come to my son. "Okay, today is my final match. Please send me the link. Please send me the link." They are only listening to the audios. Are you understanding? If you will listen to the audios in the voice of Arohi and Manu Agarkar, Rageshri, you can just, they have uploaded, Rishiji has uploaded on my website, so you can just listen to these audios and you will learn it by rote method. Okay, so you have to just imagine. Have you seen Doraemon? Doraemon? Yeah, I can see many hands raised. So Doraemon, whatever he used to get, Doraemon, do my homework, Doraemon, take me 10 years back, Doraemon, I want to fly. Same thing Bhaktambar can do. You just try it like Doraemon, and you will get amazing results. And don't ever think that I am just 4 years old or I am 7 years old. We had experimented this 6 number shloka on 2.5 years to 5 years old children in modern school. And they were, none of them were Jains, only few. And they learned within 21 days 6 shloka, mantra, riddhi, within 21 days. And after 21 days, that teacher called me and she said, please come to Jingle Bell section. When I went there, all 410 children with their closed eyes, all 9 non-Jain children chanting Alpa Shutam Shutavatam Parihasadam Tvad-bhaktireva mukhari kurute palanmam Yatko kilah kila madho maduram virauti Tachamra charu kalika nikarai kahetu. So what does that mean? This says, God, I know that I cannot vie with highly intelligent people. I am with very little knowledge, but I have devotion, and I cannot vie with very highly intellect people, but my creation is very simple. I have not done it deliberately. I'm creating something. Someone may like this thing as a poem. Someone may think, oh, it's fun. But he's saying, Manatungacharya is saying, who cares? I am just creating in the devotion of Lord Adinath. So some stanzas may fall here and there, but my prayers are flowing with my true devotion, my prayers. So I am saying that when you will create something, that is why I post those yantras made by Reena Shahji. So you can create anything. You can create a picture, you can create the diagrams, you can create games. You just download that Scratch software. One boy in Washington, DC, he created, 40 number shloka is to extinguish fire. So, with that Scratch software, he downloaded and he created that his house is on fire. And that little boy with his father, he's saying, my house is on fire. And both of them start chanting that 41 number shloka to extinguish fire. And suddenly that fire extinguishes. So this is the slide. If you will see, These are made by professor, and you just see the mantra for this. Om Reem Shram Shrim Shrum Shraham Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Kurukuru Swaha. See, you are learning shlokas, but I will really like all of you to learn this mantra because this is for education and you are going to learn. So it is very easy. You just chant with me. I am going to chant it 3 times. Just first listen, then you can chant. Om Reem Shram Shrim Shrum Shraham Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Kurukuru Swaha. So see what it is saying. Saraswati. Saraswati means goddess of education. Bhagavati. Bhagavati means Holy Bible, Jinwani Mata. And Vidya Prasadam. Vidya is education. Prasadam, like you will get fruits. Fruits of education. So once you start chanting these, you will see how it will benefit you. You know, we had conducted a test in Jain International School, which is one of the best school of Nagpur. And Aparna ji is chanting mantra for Ronak, whose father owns this school. He is in Houston. So in this school, you know, we did psychometrics test of 600 students, 600. We just trained the teachers and they would conduct in each class and their IQ was studied. And then we started chanting this mantra in school. Anita Agarkar taught them. And after 21 days, again, we checked the IQ of those students. And there was a great improvement in their pronunciation, in their concentration, in their learning ability. So just see, can we go to next slide? Or one time or more you want me to chant that? So this shloka is like solution to increase the memory, capacity to learn. So having bathed and dressed, if you wear red clothes and place yantra and do it for 21 days, you will get amazing results. So even if you don't have those clothes, but do it for 21 days. Just listen to the audios, download from that website, and that audio you have to listen every day. Next slide, next. Next slide. So the meaning is, oh Lord, I know my limitations. I cannot vie with highly knowledgeable people. I have not even heard as much as them. My humble creation is not to be compared with great verses, prayers, and poetry. So don't think whatever you are creating is going to be compared with this. You just create. You just create whatever you want to. Your humble creation will be understood by God. So I would ask all of them, see, have I created all these prayers deliberately? No, not at all. See, have I done this Bhaktambar deliberately? I was MBA student, MBA pass. I was company secretary. I was lead assessor for quality management system. I was looking after my factory, working on wind energy. But I started working on this. So have I created deliberately? No, some divine intervention is there which is making me do this. Same way you all, 75 of you, so 150 of you, you all are chosen by God. You all are chosen by God. So you will be future Harry Potters of Bhaktambar. You will be future Manatungacharya. And you will be training thousands and thousands of people in America. So don't think this is a simple class. You don't think you are small or you are just 9 years old or this. Your chanting would be effective as long as you get result. Age does not matter. You just learn the shlokas and start chanting, start experimenting and start recording. Okay, I did this and this happened. I did this and this happened. And you will see how it will benefit. So they are saying, what can I do for that? Just look at the cuckoo. Acharya Manatongacharya is comparing with cuckoo. He is saying that cuckoo sings only in spring season when she sees the blossoming of mango tree. So they are saying that if cuckoo had melodious voice, she would have sung throughout the year. But tell me, does cuckoo sing throughout the year? No. She sings only when spring season is there, when the mango seeds start blossoming. So that is how Acharya Manatungacharya is comparing. He is saying, I have nothing in me. But whenever I see you, Lord Adinath, whenever I see like you children are sitting and learning, I think, what can I give best to them? What can I give best to them so that they have come here, so they take with them something which will be useful to them, so they can create their own world. So Acharya Manatungacharya is saying, I have not done it deliberately. So just it is my bhakti which is overflowing and I'm just singing hymns and praise of you. Next slide. Next. So are you understanding, everybody? So the blossoming of mango full of fragrance tempts me to sing. So what is tempting you to sing? Neelamji, what is tempting you? Ashiji, she is working so hard to teach you. Just ask Ashi how she reached Florida University by chanting Bhaktambar. How Bhaktambar can take you to, impossible targets can be achieved by chanting. If you want to listen, do so. And if you like, you may sing. You name it a poem or pun, who cares? Similarly, Acharya Manatungacharya states, whether critics call Bhaktambar Stotra as beautiful poem or mere pun, he is indifferent. He will do his bhakti, he will do his devotion. Next slide. So then we did research on children. Next slide. Next. Yeah. So what is the advantage of chanting these shlokas? 6-number shloka. So Saina is with us and she chants this Riddhi mantra of 6 shloka very well. So I just want you to listen to her and repeat after her. So can you unmute Saina?
Yeah, she's unmuted. Saina, go ahead.
Albashatam shatavatam parihasyathama Tvat-bhaktireva mukhare kurute palanmam Yatka kila madha madhuram viroti Tatcham vicharu kalika nikaraka hetu Om Vim Sham Shim Shim Shra Ham Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Guru Guru Saha Om Vim Aram Namo Kathabadinam Jam Jam Namah Swaha.
So can you repeat it 9 times so that they follow you and they will learn with you?
Albashatam Shatavatam Parihasyathama Tat-bhaktireva mukhari kurute palanmam Yatko kila matha madhuram viroti Tatcham vicharu kalika nikarai kahetu.
It is not Dhama, it is Dham. Actually, I always speak it as Dhama because it is the English translation, you know, in English it is written that way. So it is Dham. Okay.
Okay.
Alpashrutam. Yeah.
अल्पश्रुतं श्रुतवतां परिहासधां त्वद्भक्तिरेव मुखरि कुरुते बलान् मां यत् कोकिलमथा मधुरं विरोति तच्चामचारुकलिका निखरैकहेतु अल्पश्रुतं श्रुतवतां परिहासधाम त्वद्भक्तिरेव मुखरि कुरुते बलान् मां यत् कोकिलमथा मधुरं विरोति तच्चामचारुकलिका निखरैकहेतु अल्पश्रुतं श्रुतवतां परिहासताम त्वद्भक्तिरेव मुखरि कुरुते बलान् मां यत् कोकिलमथा मधुरं विरोति तच्चामचारुकलिका निखरैकहेतु अल्पश्रुतं श्रुतवतां परिहासधाम त्वद्भक्तिरेव मुखरि कुरुते बलान् मां यत् कोकिलमथा मधुरं विरोति तच्चामचारुकलिका निखरैकहेतु अल्पश्रुतं श्रुतवतां परिहासधाम त्वद्भक्तिरेव मुखरि कुरुते बलान् मां यत् कोकिलमथा मधुरं विरोति तच्चामचारुकलिका निखरैकहेतु अल्पश्रुतं श्रुतवतां परिहासधाम त्वद्भक्तिरेव मुखरि कुरुते बलान् मां यत् कोकिलमथा मधुरं विरोति तच्चामचारुकलिका निखरैकहेतु अल्पश्रुतं श्रुतवतां परिहासधाम त्वद्भक्तिरेव मुखरि कुरुते बलान् मां यत् कोकिलमथा मधुरं विरोति तच्चामचारुकलिका निखरैकहेतु Thank you.
And mantra, Saina, mantra and Riddhi also, can you chant?
Right. Om Mim Sham Shim Shum Sha Hum Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Guru Guru Saha Om Mim Am Nama Kuttapatinam Cham Cham Nama Swaha Om Mim Sham Shim Shum Sha Hum Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Guru Guru Saha Om Mim Am Nama Kuttapatinam Cham Cham Nama Swaha Om Mim Sham Shim Sham Sha Hum Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Guru Guru Saha Om Mim Aram Namo Kuttapatinam Cham Cham Nama Swaha Om Mim Sham Shim Sham Sha Hum Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Guru Guru Saha Om Mim Aram Namo Kuttapatinam Cham Cham Nama Swaha Om Mim Sham Shim Sham Sha Hum Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Guru Guru Saha Om Mim Aram Namo Kuttapatinam Cham Cham Nama Swaha Om Mim Sham Shim Sham Sha Hum Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Guru Guru Swaha Om Mim Aram Namo Kuttapatinam Cham Cham Nama Swaha Om Mim Sham Shim Sham Sha Hum Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Guru Guru Swaha Om Mim Aram Namo Kuttapatinam Cham Cham Nama Swaha Om Mim Sham Shim Sham Sha Ham Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Kuru Kuru Swaha Om Rim Aim Namo Kuttabuddinam Sham Sham Namah Swaha Om Rim Sham Shim Shum Sha Ham Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Kuru Kuru Swaha Om Rim Aim Namo Kuttabuddinam Sham Sham Namah Swaha.
Great. Now Ashi will tell you how children benefited by chanting this shloka. She has been presenting our presentations everywhere. So over to Ashi. Ashi will tell you what all children achieved by chanting this. So Ashi. Okay.
Ashiji, you've been unmuted. Go ahead.
Look, mommy.
Ashiji.
You have to unmute her. Unmute her.
I have unmuted her, Manjuji.
Okay.
Neelamji. So do you want to start while Ashi has maybe a connection issue? I'm not sure. By the time
Okay.
she joins us, can you continue?
Sure. Yeah. I don't have the story picture, but I can go over
I'll
the
open the
uses
picture
of the
up.
month.
I'll open the picture up.
Yeah, because we share the screen together. So. Okay. No, this is not the story. This is the cartoon, I mean.
No, no.
Oh, sorry.
No.
I thought, okay, sorry then.
Yeah,
This
Neelam,
is-
can you just explain the research work? Aparna can explain how children have benefited by
yeah.
chanting this shloka, this PPT. Aparna can
Okay.
explain it. Aparna
So
knows.
so even when working with autistic kids, we've been placing the music in the background, and it has created some differences in behavior. It has also created some psychological balance to the brain, like the dopamine and different things. I'm not saying it completely erases the the chronic disease, but it does make a substantial difference, and in many cases it mitigates it. Also, it increases the IQ. It helps with the exam success. It helps you with the focus. It increases your learning ability, so grasping ability. It makes it easier for you to learn. And some of the research that they have done has shown that over time of chanting, after 21 days, the kids were able to increase the IQ, and they were able to learn easier and faster. And then it also helps with the binding of the family members. So family members are better bounded. They have better behaviorisms with one another. And there's a lot more bonding going on. And yeah, that's basically the most of the gist of everything of number 6. IQ, focus, exam success, memory, behavioral issues are mitigated. If you have some issues with stammering and different things, that also helps with that. It's been helping with psychological issues, helps with brain disorders. Also, yeah, listening the Bhaktamar in the background is also good. So if you keep it on in the background, I used to do it with autistic kids. I used to just keep it in a soft background because we're not allowed to provide our own protocol when we work with them. So we have to follow the corporate protocol. But I was wanting to help them further along and in a deeper way than what they were having us do. So I would have it on my phone in the background. So this is one of my absolute favorite shlokas. So I am very I'm very passionate about this shloka. It has helped in many things and many cases. And if there is a story picture, then I can go over the story as well.
Siddhi, can you unmute
Gotcha.
story? Okay, story.
No, but I mean, you can go ahead if you have something else to add to that. If Aparna ji also has something to add, she can add.
No, you tell the story.
I need the picture. I don't have it on me. Because usually I don't want to tell the story. I want them to look at the story, the picture, and then I want them to decipher, and then we go over it. We discuss it.
Okay, so I'll narrate the story. See, there were two brothers who were sent by the king to boarding school. Like now you go to boarding school, at that time they used to go to Gurukul. So the king sent both his prince to boarding school to study. So one was young boy and one was elder one. Both of them studied Bhupal and Bhujpal. For 12 years, Pandit Shrudhar, like professors of today, Pandit Shrudhar taught them all subjects like philosophy, English, maths, Hindi, everything. So after 12 years, the Pandit Shrudhar came to king saying that your younger son has learned everything and he should get a medal, but your older son, I am really very unhappy to say that I have tried a lot to teach him, but he does not learn, so I give up. So I cannot teach him any further. So please forgive me, I will not be able to teach him. So, you know, they say, okay, if you learn very quickly in this birth, if you are able to grasp very quickly, like just now you saw Shaina learning riddhis very quickly. So they say if you have donated books in your past, in your previous birth, if you have helped people learn, if you help them do their homework or this thing. So in this birth, then whatever you learn, you grasp quickly. And if you have disturbed somebody in your previous birth or in current birth, so if you have disturbed him in learning, teaching, and if you have stolen book or something, then in this birth, you will not be able to grasp quickly. So this is because of your poor karmas. So this boy who was told by a professor as dumb-headed, he tried his level best. He was trying his level best. Even after that, the teacher, his classmates were making fun of him and he was unable to learn. So seeing his condition, the younger brother Bhupal, he felt sorry for him. And then he just said, brother, I will give you one secret mantra. And if you will do it for 21 days, you will get amazing result. So see this video, they will play. So this is the mantra which the younger brother gave to elder brother, and he did it for 21 days. And after 21 days, Brahmi Devi came and she asked this boy, elder brother, okay, what do you want? Ask a wish, ask a boon. So he said, I want to study. I want to become a great scholar. So Brahmi Devi blessed him and then he became a great scholar. He wrote many books, Puranas. His articles came in many newspapers. So just listen to this. This is in Acharya Dhyan Sagar ji's voice. This is 2D animation on Bhaktambar.
Manjuti, can I play now?
Yeah.
And then we usually go over like what they see in the animation, like what is their perception. So if anybody wants to share, and then iPad also wanted to recite.
Yes, so Neelamji, you continue.
So iPad wants to recite. If
Yeah.
they can, and Arham wants to share what they saw in the animation. We usually have a discussion. We don't tell them the story. We tell them the story afterwards. So we have a
Yeah.
discussion first, and yeah.
Okay.
But that's okay.
iPad.
So now,
One second. Let me find iPad. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
IPA.
And then I got another message from.
I have unmuted iPad. Let's take one by one. So I have unmuted iPad from here. Go ahead. Please announce your name because we can't see your name. Please announce yourself.
Jill.
अल्पशितं शतवतां परिहासधाम तद्वत्सूर्यमुखोरि कोटिबलान्नं यत्कोकिलकिलमधुमधुं युवति वचामचामुकलिका
Om Rim.
ॐ अहं नमो
Ne-
कुतुभ्वति
Om Rim Shah.
ॐ शां श्रीं श्रीं
Shah.
Shah, Han, Cha, 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 Saraswati, Bhagavati,
Vidya. Prasadam.
Vidya Prasadam.
Swaha.
Okay.
Vidya
Om Rim.
Prasadam Kuru Kuru Swaha.
Om Aham Namo Kutabodinam, Jam Jam Namaha Swaha.
Okay. And then Arham wants to share what he saw in the animation. Good job. You did very well.
Give me 1 second. Arham?
Arham, yeah.
said-
He sent me a private message.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to look up on the hands raised. Okay, 1 second.
Yeah. What's the
Ar-
last name? Hang on.
Arham Javeri?
Javeri.
Okay. Arham, you been unmuted?
Yeah, so I saw
You'll have to unmute on your end.
I had muted.
Also, then
Go
after
ahead.
him is Janish and Keval S and Aditya Shah.
So in the video I saw Pandit teaching a boy, and I think the boy was one of those princes and the Pandit was the Pandit that was in the story. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I think in the major gist of the story was that they were bowing down to him, they were learning from him, and he was the Guru, the Acharya Maharaj Sahib, and they were learning from him. So good perception. Anybody else want to share the perception of the animation?
I'm unmuting Keval. I'm unmuting Keval next.
And then I have a bunch of people privately, they want to recite the number 6. So I'll just go through them one by one with you.
We can do Q&A. Let's just do the.
Huh?
Go ahead. Keval, go ahead.
Alpashrutam Shrutavatam Parihasadhama Tadabhaktireva Mukhari Kurute Balanma Yata Kokila Kila Madhuram Virauti Tachamracharu Kalika Nikareka Heta Om Reem Shram Shreem Shroom Shra Ham Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Kuru Kuru Swaha.
Okay, very
Next,
good.
I'm unmuting Neil. Oh, sorry. I think it's NTWIN is Neil, if
There
I'm
are
not
some
mistaken. Go ahead,
people
Neil.
that are private. Did Vidhi go?
Neil. Alpashutam Shritavatam Prihasanama Bhaktiram Kari Kurate Banman Kokila Kila Madhumadhuram Virote Tacham Vicharu Kalikane Kareke Hidu from Tro Hansa Ta 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vida Prastham Guru Krishna Umri Ham Namakutavati Nam Drum Drum Namahaswa.
Wow,
I
very
did
fast.
this. I did this right. I
Right
did
now.
this before. I learned this like way before you started the September.
I know. Number 6 is like very popular amongst the kids. I knew that a lot of people would know it. Good job.
Who's next, Neelamji? Who's next?
Okay, so did you call on Vidhi?
She only spoke earlier today.
Okay, then Misha and Umang want to say what they saw in the animation.
Nisha and Umang, you are unmuted. Go ahead. You may have to unmute on your end. Nisha and Umang.
So I saw a Charamanatanga and like he had a very tiny bit of locks and he was like writing the Bhaktamar. I think it might have been the 6th shukla. And then I saw I think maybe the younger, like there was like this mountain place and there were 2 people like on rocks and I thought like there was telling the secret mantra to the older king so he could like for 21 days so he could study and become a great scholar. And then I saw that like God praying to the great one, another God.
Wow.
That's
Very
it.
good. You saw a lot in that short time. But yeah, for the most part, they were learning to be scholars and they were learning wisdom from
I also
the
saw
God and the.
praying to Lord Adinath.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, he's probably like saying this.
Oh, okay. Okay. Good. Okay, the
Do we have
next
any-
one
next, Neelamji?
is okay, so it's coming so fast. Okay. So Misha and Umang went.
Atisha.
Okay.
Atisha
Janish Shah.
Sorry, Manjuji saying something. Huh, Manjuji? Sorry, who?
Atisha is raising her hand.
Atisha. Okay, let me find.
Janish wanted to go after Arham.
Okay.
Janish.
Atisha, you've been unmuted. Go ahead.
I would like to say the prayer.
Loudly.
6
Loudly.
Alpushutam Shritavatam Parihasadha Vadbhaktire Vimakhari Kurute Balanma Yadako Kila Mado Maduram Viroti Tachamra Charu Kalika Nikare Kahetu.
Very good. Jai Jinendra, very good. Okay, so the next one that wants to go, Aditya went?
You said
No,
name,
Keval.
you said Jainesh. So I'm going to give Jainesh.
Okay.
And after that is Mahek, M-A-H-E-K, after Jainesh.
There's a Keval, there's a Aditya, they're sending me private. But
Keval
if
already
everyone can
went.
raise their hand.
Keval went through.
Okay.
If
people
Jainesh,
can
I've
raise their
unmuted you. Go
hand.
ahead.
Dhamma Tvad Bhakti Revam Kare Guru Te Bhavanam Yet Kokilaha Kilamado Maduram Viroti Tacham Vicharu Kalika Nikare Kahetu Om Rim Shrim Shrim Shah Hamsam Ta 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Kurkur Swaha Om Rim Aram Namakutapati Nam Drum Drum Namah Swaha.
Very good.
Okay, Neelamji, in interest of the students we have from India, can we just discuss the homework? Then we can
Sure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So
with the recitation, but for the kids who are from India, let them know what the homework is.
Okay.
Dhoop
The
is also
homework
raising
for
hand.
the homework is to recite. So make sure you put the water, like we said, put the water while you're chanting in a bowl or a glass, and recite shloka number 6 3 times, and then write it down 3 times. And if you want to go over the animation again, you can, and also make the video for shloka number 6. So I'm going to repeat that again. 3 times recitation of shloka number 6. Recitation, 3 times writing in your notebook of shloka number 6. Take the video of yourself chanting number 6. And if you want to do as an added bonus, the animation, you can go over that again, look it over, look at your perception on it, and put the water. Let's do the water experiment and see what happens when you're chanting and you put the water. What kind of results do you see? Make sure you drink the water, you sprinkle the water on your books, on your eyes, on your body, and you drink it and you sprinkle it in your room and wherever you study. And let's see what your results are.
Neelamji, I will give one homework to them, that those who have brothers and sisters, they are 2 in family, they can just make a skit on how this Bhupal and Bhujpal they studied, and maybe their father or mother can come as king and the Pandit Shuddhar who was teaching, and a small skit which we did in Los Angeles also, and the children made beautiful skits. Even in Bombay, everywhere we have done on 6 shlokas. So if they will create a small skit, the 2 brothers and sisters.
Can you also, Manju Aunty, can you do the word for word meaning? Word for word meaning of shloka number 6.
Okay.
But once again, Neelamji and Manjuji, before you go to word for word, you've announced the homework. Just on the videos, I just want to make sure all the videos are uploaded on Flipgrid and not on the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, Flipgrid.
Yeah. Sorry, go ahead, Manjuji, and go ahead.
Everybody, yeah, everybody has been following that now. Nobody's been uploading on WhatsApp anymore. Yeah.
See, I'm not doing word to word meaning. Yeah, Neelam.
Some of the kids are requesting it because whoever wants to stay, stays, and then whoever wants to go, they go. This is not part of the class. It's an added bonus, but many people requested, so we go over the word for word meaning from just the shloka number 6, not the mantra and riddhi.
I'm not telling you word to word meaning, but I'm telling you this is, I'm so ignorant that I am an object of ridicule for wise people. Still, my devotion for you compels me to sing hymns in your praise. Just as beautiful bunch of mangoes compel the cuckoo to produce its melodious voice in spring. This is just the exact meaning, 4-line meaning of it. Then you can elaborate in any way, you can decorate and this thing. But the 4-line was, it's as simple as this. I alpa shrutam shrutvatam parihasadham. So the line means I am so ignorant that I am an object of ridicule. Ridicule means people may laugh at me. I may be a laughing stock for wise people who are very intelligent. Still, Tvad Bhakti Dev Mukhri Kurute Balanma. Still, my devotion for you compels me to sing hymns in your praise. Third, Yat Kokilah Kil Madhav Madhuram Virauti Tat Chamra Charu Kalika Nikray Kahetu. Just as the beautiful bunch of mangoes compel the cuckoo to produce its melodious voice in the spring. So, you have understood the meaning of it. I would just ask Arav to just do one action on this shloka. Arav?
So Dr. Manju Jain already said the 6th shloka and what it does. Basically, the 6th shloka improves your memory, enhances your memory, makes it better, makes you get like all A+ in school if you don't get them often. And it helps you, makes your behavior at home better. And it's just a very helpful shloka. there was this experiment that happened. Dr. Manju Jain took like 40, like a bunch of kids that like didn't like score A pluses that much, and then told them to chant the 6th shloka for 21 days and write it down, and they took a test and they all got A pluses. So this actually really works. It goes like this. Alpa shrutam shrutavatam parihasidama Tvad-bhaktireva mukari kurute phalanam Yat kokilah kilamadau maduram viroti Vajamra charu kalika nikare kahetu. The Riti jap and mantra jap go like this. Om Reem Sham Shim Shum Sha Hum Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Kurkuru Swaha. And then it goes Om Reem Arham Namo Kut Buddhinam Jrong Jrong Namah Swaha.
Wow, great, Arav, great.
Okay. There are two people, like Aditya really wants to recite. He's been asking, and then Kavya. You know, Kavya, she learned shloka number 45 with you, Dr. Manju, auntie. She wants to recite in front of you because she said that because Dr. Manju Jain is here, she wants to speak. So we'll call on Aditya Shah first, and then Kavya.
I will call on Dhoop, and then I'll go to them. I've got Dhoop raising his hand for quite some time. So let me get Dhoop, and then
actually Aditya has been telling me in private. He's told me several times. That's why Aditya. Okay.
After Dhoop, I'll get him shortly after Dhoop.
Okay, Aditya, we'll have you after Dhoop.
Go ahead. You've been unmuted.
Alpa shrutam shrutavatam parihasadama Tvad-bhaktireva mukari kurute balanam Alpa shrutam shrutavatam parihasadama Tvad-bhaktireva mukari kurute balanam Tvad-bhaktireva mukari kurute balanam Yat kokila kilamadumadaram viroti Tacharu chamru kalikana karetu hetu.
Wow, great. Great. Very good.
Wow, very good. Okay, so now Aditya and then Kavya.
Alpa shrutam shrutavatam parihasadaham Tvad bhakti Dham bhaktireva mukhari balana kurute balam Yat kokila kila madhuram karetu Viroti Tacharuchut kalikani karar karetu
Chamra charu kalika nikare kahetu. Okay, good job, Aditya. I'm glad you got to go finally. Okay, now I think the next one was Kavya.
Mahek.
She had learned shloka number 45 with Dr. Manju Jain.
How do you spell her name?
Her name is Laksh. You have to call on Laksh.
So how do you spell it?
Laksh.
I don't see that.
Are they not there anymore? Because they messaged me.
No, they're not there anymore. So I'll go in the order I have hands raised.
So actually, Kavya, Kaavya.
Okay, got it. Kavya, I'm unmuting you. Go ahead.
Udbhut bhishana jalodhara para bhuvna socham dasham upagatashyata jeevitasha Twadpada pankaja rajomrita dikta deha martya bhavanti makaratu jatulya rupa Om Rim Arham Namo Akhin Mahansanam Jrom Jrom Namah Swaha Om Namo Bhagavati Shrudra Uptra Shanti Karni रोकष्टजरूपशमनं शान्तिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा. Om Rim Bhagavate Bhavbhishanharaye Namaha.
Wow, great,
Wow,
great.
good
Kavya.
job, Kavya. We
Yeah,
both
she
have
learned,
the same
Manjuji, she
background.
learned from your channel on YouTube, so she want to sing in front of you. Thank you for giving her chance. Thank you so much.
Yeah, very beautiful. Good job.
Thank you.
Next, I have Mahek. I'm unmuting Mahek. Mahek, go ahead. Michami Dukram for not getting you sooner.
No problem. Alpashutam Shutavatam Parihasudam Tvadbhaktirev Mukhari Kurute Balanmam Yatko Kila Kila Madho Maduram Viroti Tachamacharu Kalikani Kare Kahetu Om Rim Sham Shim Shum Shaham Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavate Vidya Prasadam Kuru Kuru Swaha. Thank you.
So it is like 3 times th, then th.
Okay.
I've got next Hia. Hia, go ahead. And after that is Tivisha. Hia, can you? You're unmuted, Hia. We cannot hear you, but go ahead.
Yogesh ji left, otherwise Yogesh ji could have.
Hia, we cannot hear you here.
Alpashutam Shutavatam Parihasudam Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Guru Guru Swaha. Arham Swaha.
Next I have is Tivisha. I've unmuted you. Go ahead.
Alpashutam Shutavatam Parihasudam Tvadbhaktirev Mukhari Kurute Balanmam Yat Kokilah Kalamada Maduram Viroti Tachamra Charu Kalika Nikare Kahetu.
Very good, very good.
Next I have is Mahavir.
Alpashutam Shutavatam Parihasadaama Tvadbhaktirev Mukari Kurute Balanmam Yatko Kila Kila Madau Maduram Virauti Tachamra Charu Kalika Nikaraika Hetu Om Hrim Shrim Om Hrim Shram Shrim Shrum Shraha Ham Sam Ta Ta Taha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Kuru Kuru Swaha.
Very good try. Very good. Very good.
Thank you.
Neminath, you're next. Neminath, you're unmuted. Go ahead. Soumya, you're next after that.
Alpashutam Shutavatam Parihasudama Tvadbhaktirev Mukhari Kurute Balanmam Yat Kokila Kila Maduram Virauti Tachamra Charu Kalika Nikaraika Hetu Om Him Sham Shim Shum Shah Ham Sam Ha 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 Ta Ta Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Kuru Kuru Swaha. Om Hrim
Namo Kutta Buddhinam Zom Zom Namah Swaha.
Excellent. Soumya, you're next. I'm unmuting you. Go ahead.
Alpashrutam Shrutavatam Parihasatanam Tadbhaktirevam Kari Kurute Balamam Yat Kokila Kila Madhu Madhuram Viroti Tachamra Charu Kalikani Kare Kahetu Alpha Om Rim Arham Namo Kutta Buddhinam Dhrom Dhrom Namah Swaha Om Rim Arham Om Rim Shram Shrim Shrum Shra Om Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Kuru Kuru Swaha. Thank you.
Arav and Riva, you're next. And before they go ahead, any kid who is over the age of 15 and who wants to speak in front of Dr. Manju Jain, please put your thumbs up or your hand up on your screen so I can call you next. You have a chance to be in front of Dr. Manju Jain. So anybody over the age of 15, please raise your hand. Arav and Riva, you've been unmuted. Go ahead.
Alpashrutam Shrutavatam Parihasadhama Tadbhakti Eva Mukhari Gurute Balanma Yat Kokila Kila Madhav Madhuram Virati Satcharu Sham Kalikani Karai Kahetu.
Excellent.
Very good. Very
Vidhi,
good.
you're next. I've unmuted you, Vidhi. Go ahead.
Shrutam Shrutavatam Parihasadhama Tvadbhaktireva Mukhari Kurute Balanam Yat Kokilah Kila Madho Madhuram Virauti Tachamra Charu Kalikani Kare Kahetu Om Him Shram Shrim Shrum Shra Ham Sam Tha 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 Saraswati Bhagavati Vidya Prasadam Kuru Kuru Swaha Om Him Aram Namo Kutta Buddhinam Jom Jom Namah Swaha.
So I just
Manjuji.
want to.
Very good.
Manjuji, there's a student here, Hia, who wants to talk something about you. So I'm unmuting her. She wants to talk something about you.
Okay,
Hia,
Ria.
go ahead. You've been unmuted. Hia, come closer to your screen. We can't hear you, Hia.
Jayendra Manju Didi.
Jai Jinendra, Jai Jinendra, Jai Jinendra.
एक काम कीजिए, आप लिख के भेज दीजिए मुझे चैट में, मैं उनको फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगा. सॉरी, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, तो आप लिख के दे दीजिए, हम उनको फॉरवर्ड कर देंगे.
I think she's Daksha Ben's daughter.
मंजू जी बोलिए आप.
Yeah, I just want to ask
sure.
one question from everybody. Who was today's teacher? Tutor. Who was your tutor today? Who taught you mantra and
I've got
Riddhi
Jainesh.
Today.
I've got
yeah.
Jainesh. I am unmuting Jainesh. Jainesh, go ahead.
Manju Didi.
No, it was Saina. Who taught you mantra and Riddhi? Saina spoke 9 times and immediately everybody grabs. So don't ever think you cannot become teacher. You can teach so many people, you know. You learn faster. When kids speak, kids learn faster. So who taught everybody? Everybody in spur of moment learned what? Mantra, Riddhi. You know how difficult they are? And each one is speaking as if you all know since beginning of your age. Isn't it? Can you think within that little boy was saying, just now I have learned it, just now I have learned it. So Soham is there. I just want to share Soham's story today because he had a dream and he got up and asked Aparna to chant 47 number shloka because it erases all the fear. So being 5 years old or what, Aparna can share that story.
Yeah, he's 8 years old. I mean, we'll share the app in our North America Bhaktamar group also. So we have downloaded that app on our phone, Bhaktamar Stotra app, and it has all 48 shlokas on there, along with the purpose of the shlokas on top of it. So Soham has, I guess, I mean, without my knowledge, I think looks like he has memorized a lot of them. Like last night he had a nightmare and he was like, Mom, I'm really scared. Can you please put on 47th number shloka? So, I mean, it was really cool. And then he was like, okay, take me to the mandir. And we have a prayer room in our house. So we both sat there. He said, just can you please chant nine times shloka number 47. So I did that with him. One thing I want to say that, we are very, 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 very lucky that we have Manju Didi here today. I'm sure your parents know about her and maybe you guys can talk with your parents and they can show you the website or you guys can search, go through her website yourself. It's drmanjujain25.com, drmanjujain25.com. She has all of her researches there, her testimonies there, all the shlokas there, cute animations there, all these videos that we have been, all the sessions that we have been attending, all these sessions are uploaded there. So her website is like a major resource of all sorts of information. You have headache, there's a shloka for that. You have any sort of pain in your stomach, let's say you have shloka there. Somebody in your family is sick, there's shloka in there. So all the shlokas are well listed with the purposes, meaning, how to chant. There's a Riddhi Jap and Mantra Jap next to it. You just click on it. You can learn the pronunciation and and understand the meaning of it. So do that. And Manju Didi is the first lady who was inspired by her mom, and she learned Bhaktamar Stotra from her mom in her childhood, and then she took up used this as a research and tested on so many people. She did PhD on 45th shloka, where she brought people who had cancer, like incurable diseases, like bigger diseases which have no cure. Doctor said, oh, there is no cure. She has done research on those and people have gotten better. We have personally experienced it also. So all have so much faith in Bhaktamar Stotra and everything is possible. You know how the word impossible, how do we spell it? I am the word possible. So impossible means there is basically no word like impossible. It itself says I'm possible. Similarly, everything is possible in this world. All you need to have is faith and dedication. And I'm really, really impressed with you guys. How every time you guys are attending sessions, nicely sitting for such a long time, writing shlokas, making videos, it's all good. You guys are already, very, very elevated souls, learning this in such a younger age. Very impressive. Thank you so much.
I can see Soham in the background. Can you just call Soham?
He just ran off.
He was there. He was coming there. He was just, if he can share himself. He also does action and everything. So
he just doesn't like to come on the screen and talk. That's why we have Arav here.
So Arav also explained very well what are the result of chanting 6 shloka, how your IQ improves, how your pronunciation improves, how your behavior at home as well as school improves. And in the research which we conducted on 410 students, they could complete their classwork in time, their homework was complete, their pronunciation, their sports improved, So all these, their skills improved within 21 days. So I'm sure that you will benefit, and I'm very happy that so quickly all of them picked up Riddhi and Mantra, because they are really difficult to learn. And I said that their learning ability is far better than ours. Linguistic capability of children from 2.5 years to 5 years, 6, 7, like it's fastest. So any language you give them, whether Sanskrit, German, French, they pick up very fast. So this is the age where you can learn and you can utilize. And Siddharth ji, Aparna ji, Ashi is teaching in such beautiful manner. So you have got so good teachers like Dr. Neelam, so take maximum benefit. And every day we need one teacher from kids also. Like today, Arav and Saina were there. Tomorrow we want these two girls who chanted mantra very nicely. They would be like future Anita's daughter, Manu and Anu Agarkar. In the starting, they were chanting mantra. What was their name? I had written in chat box. They were singing very nicely. Two girls.
Khushi, maybe. Bhaiya, do you see them?
Sorry?
Do you see those two girls? I forgot their name.
Yes.
In every
Sorry,
session.
can you repeat again? The names again, please.
Yeah, I forgot their names. I think Khushi and her sister, maybe.
Okay, one second. Let me find out.
I think they have gone.
Yeah, they're gone. I have two kids who have raised hands right now. I've got Vidhi Jain. I'm going to give Vidhi and then Soumya.
Soumya, yeah, Soumya is also very good.
Vidhi, go ahead.
I want to ask that where are the animated movies of Bhaktambar on the website?
Okay, I'll send you the link. I just posted the link in NA Bhaktambar group also, but Vidhi, I'll send that message to you. Let me see real quick.
There's a folder named as Bhaktambar Animation. When you will click more on right hand side, Bhaktambar Animation will be there. I think Rishi
We will also, and plus we will also post the link of today's presentation and the animation in the WhatsApp group as well as by email. So your parents have probably access to the WhatsApp group. So we will do it there.
Soumya wants to.
One second.
Okay, so can I just say it? So I found it's under, so if you look it up on the website, drmanjujain25.com, you go to on the main tab. I mean, if you're looking on the phone, then there are 3 lines on the right. So within the sub tab of, so there are multiple tabs. So one of them is shlokas. So under the shlokas, it says mantra card, yantra cards, Bhaktambar animation, and audio files by Arohi and Rageshwari Agarkar. So so it's basically under the main tab is called shlokas, and it's there, Bhaktambar animation. Okay,
Soumya, you're next. Go ahead.
Jai Jinendra Manju Didi.
Jai Jinendra. Jai
I want to say that I
Yes, Soumya, speak.
She's here only.
Yeah, hi. You know, they had come to learn Bhaktambar during holy time. They stayed with me for 3 days and they are masters. Soumya, you chant mantra and shlok.
Which one?
6 only, whichever you want.
6. Alpha Shrutam Shrutavatam Parihasatanam
तद्भक्तिरेव मुखरीकुरुते बलामं यत् किल किल मधुरं विरोति तच्चां प्रचारुकलिका निकरे कहेतु। ओम ह्रीं अर्हं नमो कुत्तबुद्धिनं जुं जुं नमः स्वाहा।
I want to say that I just selected in Taekwondo and I don't know, and I got a bronze medal, and in aerobics also I got gold medal. I don't know, from home I spoke 6 slok and gone from here, and I don't know, I won a gold medal.
Wow, great, Soumya. Everybody clap for her, Soumya, and this one.
Manju Didi, I got here.
Yeah. Congratulations.
And my Taekwondo ma'am also selected me only. I'm not doing Taekwondo properly, and I'm now doing in Taekwondo class.
Wow, great. And one thing I want to inform everybody that once you complete your course of all 48 shloka, you will get a certificate from Bhaktambar Healing and Research Foundation as you have completed the course, and then you become teachers of Bhaktambar. You can teach people. So we will organize from International School for Jain Studies, and you will be certified. You will get 3 credits also for that. So you will be masters of Bhaktambar. So over to Siddhji.
I have one last person, Swasti. I'm going to unmute her and then we will end the session. Swasti, go ahead.
Alpushatam shativatam parihasadhama tvadabhaktireva mukare kurute balanam yadako kila madoram viroti tachamra charu kalika nikare kahetu. Jai Janendra.
Jai Janendra. And one more thing I want to tell you, not only kids, elders, adults who cannot complete their chartered accountant CA program, CS program, they are not able to clear foundation course, they come and chant with me for 21 days and they get selected, they get passed in their level 1, level 2. And once one gentleman who was appearing for bank exam, 6 times he had failed, a 36-year-old person, and he came to me, he was non-Jain, and he said, every time I am failing, please can you chant with me, can you teach me? He was a non-Jain, and he learned the mantra, and next day only, when he appeared for exam and then result came, he was calling me and I could not pick up his call, although I thought he must have cleared his exam. Next day he posted on Instagram, see, I have passed. So not only children, even elders benefit by chanting. We also benefit by chanting shloka because everybody needs IQ and memory skills. So it is very good tool for everyone. And your fees is that you have to teach one person this shloka, Riddhi Mantra, your classmate, who are non-Jain and they do not know about this, Jain or non-Jain, it does not matter. But you have to teach one of your classmate friends that I have found a tool, a magical tool like Harry Potter's wand. And if you will chant it or listen to the audio, you will get results. So this is your fee for today's class, that you have to teach to one of your friend. Is it okay, Siddhji?
Absolutely.
Okay.
चलिए, now we will end the session. Aparna di, Manju ji, आप सब लोग मिलकर के बोलते हैं. The kids will be blessed by hearing your voice. So Manju ji, please Aparna di के साथ आप join होइए.
Namo Arihantanam, Namo Sedanam, Namo Ariyanam, नमो युवझायानं नमो लोए सब साहुनं येसो पंच नमोकारो सब पावपनासनो मंगलानं च सवेसिं परमं हवै मंगलम् ओम नमो अरिहंतानं नमो सेठानं नमो आयरियानं नमो युवछायानं नमो लोए सब साहुनं येसो पंच नमोकारो सब पावपनासनो मंगलानं सवेसिं परमं हवै मंगलम् ओम नमो अरिहंतानं नमो सेठानं नमो आयरियानं नमो युवछायानं नमो लोए सब साहुनं येसो पंच नमोकारो सब पावपनासनो मंगलानं च सवेसिं परमं हवै मंगलम् परमं हवै मंगलम्। बोलो आदिश्वर भगवान
ईश्वर भगवान की जय।
In the next session, we will get Yogesh ji, who has made story books like Amar Chitra Katha of Bhaktambar. So maybe we will give him 5-10 minutes so he can explain how he has created those comics of Bhaktambar. He was there, but he left.
Adi, you were saying Acharya Mantuji Acharya ji ki jay. 24 तीर्थंकर
जिन शासन
देव की जय। आज के संडे की जय। Thank you all kids and especially thank you Manju ji for taking time because it's very late in Bombay. So in India, sorry, in Nagpur. So thank you very much for taking time for joining with all of us, including the kids in the room. Thank you so much.